Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
या आई नो उनकी जोड़ी बहुत ज़्यादा हिट है और पीपल हैव ऑलरेडी started trolling me and hating me a lot. Yeah, that's true. I was supposed to do a Star Plus show, but during lockdown काफ़ी सारे shows off air हुए and that show also gone off air. Yeah, there are so many people who are hating me, who just don't wanna see me as Yasmin. Siddharth really helped me. He actually told me all the easy ways to do the things. He's very helpful and supportive. I know it's very difficult to see somebody else on the place of your favorite. Sorry guys.
Actress Ashi Singh, who is currently seen in Sak TV's show Aladdin Naam To Suna Hoga, as Yasmin got chatty with us, and here we asked her about replacing Avni, trolls and more.
Hi, this is Ashi Singh, your new Yasmin from Aladdin Naam To Suna Hoga.
You were supposed to be part of Star Plus, then how did Aladdin happen?
Yeah, that's true. I was supposed to do a Star Plus show, but during lockdown काफ़ी सारे shows off air हुए and that show also gone off air. Aladdin happened to me. How did it happen? So I got call in lockdown for the audition and I made a self audition and sent it to the team. They liked it and then we had a look test and that's how it happened.
What made you opt for Aladdin, and do you think there's pressure on you?
I don't know about others, but I was quite mentally prepared for it. Because of course it's very difficult because you never know. It's kind of a risk, but it's okay. I just wanted to do this character. It was a very good character and काफ़ी कुछ है character में करने के लिए. तो as an actor I just crave for new things and different things जो इस character में मुझे मिल रहा है. So yeah, that's what I thought and that is what made me take this show.
Any changes in the look or character after your entry?
That I don't know actually because I did not see the episodes till now. मैंने अपने episode से ही show देखना शुरू किया है. So I don't know whether there are changes in look or the character or not because I've made my own character क्योंकि मैं वहाँ लोगों से I talk to my co-actors, I talk to director, I talk to creative of our show. मैं उनसे पूछती हूँ that how is supposed to be rather than watching the previous episodes and taking things from there because I want to create it a bit different.
Siddharth and Avneet have a massive following as Sidneet. Are you feeling the pressure?
Okay. Yeah, I know उनकी जोड़ी बहुत ज़्यादा हिट है और people have already started trolling me and hating me a lot. I know that, but I can't help it. I'm an actor and I have to work. So प्रेशर है कि मुझे अपना परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छा देना है बिकॉज अवनीत ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है फॉर 2 years. उसने एक बेंचमार्क सेट किया हुआ है एंड शी टुक 2 years टू रीच देयर एंड नाउ आई हैव टू बी जस्ट देयर जहाँ वो 2 साल में पहुँची. तो इट्स क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट एंड मुझे उसका प्रेशर है ऑफकोर्स.
How are you dealing with negative comments from fans?
ओके सो आई एम समवन जिसे नेगेटिविटी बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद. सो आई जस्ट ट्राई टू इग्नोर एज मच एज आई कैन. आई डोंट रियली रीड दोज नेगेटिव कॉमेंट्स दो आई वॉज एक्चुअली एक्सपेक्टिंग इट. I actually expected more and people are accepting me already and they are liking me. So that is a big thing जो मैंने initially बिल्कुल नहीं सोचा था कि कुछ लोग भी मुझे इतना जल्दी accept कर लेंगे, but people are accepting me. So it's a very happy thing for me. Though yeah, there are so many people who are hating me, who just don't wanna see me as Yasmin, but I really can't help it and I just try to ignore those negative comments as much as I can. Baki I do understand their feelings. I know it's very difficult to see somebody else on the place of your favorite. Sorry guys.
How supportive has Siddharth been?
Very supportive. So as I said before, on the first day of my shoot I had my action sequence, sword fight and all of that. और मुझे वो बिल्कुल नहीं आता and Siddharth is pro in all of those things. So there was action master on the set, but Siddharth really helped me. He actually told me all the easy ways to do the things. So yeah, he's very helpful and supportive. On screen तो you guys would tell me, I don't know. So I don't know on screen कैसी equation है, chemistry है, वो आप लोग बताएंगे. Like you have to judge it. बाकी off screen is quite good. We do discuss scenes, we do rehearse, and it's very normal. So it's just been 2 weeks we have met. He's supportive and nice. It's going good. Yeah.
Shooting with the extensive look amidst COVID, how exhausting is it?
Very difficult. So again, I don't know about others, but for me it's very difficult because that costume and jewelry itself is a very new thing for me. तो मुझसे वही नहीं संभलता और उसके साथ साथ I have to take care of the very heavy headgear, jewelry and mask, sanitizers, precautions and all of those things. So it's quite hectic, difficult. Though I'm very excited while shooting because every day I do something new. So it's a very mixed feeling actually. Excitement, happiness, and then difficulties. So many things together.
What precautions are you taking personally? And are you scared as actors have also been detected of corona since shoots have resumed?
I'm very 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 scared. So I'm someone जो 3.5 महीने तक घर से बाहर ही नहीं निकली थी. Not even for the bhaji. So our building actually, the building I stay in, it's very secured and protected. यहाँ पे सब कुछ बिल्डिंग के अंदर ही आ रहा था for that time being. So I did not go out at all for anything. And now I'm shooting. It's risky of course because corona, it's not a joke. It's a very real and bad thing which is happening around. और जब भी हम बाहर जाते हैं कोई ना कोई एम्बुलेंस भी दिख जाती है. So yeah, it's really scary, but at the same time I'm very happy that I'm working because most of the people have lost their jobs and not working. So I feel blessed that I'm working, but yeah, it's scary.
Lastly, message to your fans.
So I would say the same thing which I say every time. I really 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 love you guys and thank you so much for all the love and support you are giving me. And thank you for not getting into any fight with other fan clubs. Do respect their feelings and just don't get into any fight with anybody. And just keep supporting me, keep loving me, and I just love you too.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.
We hope that you guys enjoyed this chat with Ashi. If you did, do comment and tell us. Also, don't forget to subscribe to India Forums. Ashima Chavda, India Forums, Mumbai.